This is a sales sheet from a small business, 12 rows, and it's a mess. 6 different date formats. Prices with dollar signs, prices without. The word to typed where a number should be. Blank cells, random capital letters duplicate rows. The kind of file that eats an entire evening to fix by hand. I dropped it into an AI with one prompt, hit enter, and about 60 seconds later I had this. One clean table, every date the same format, every price a real number, and a revenue total. No formulas. No find and replace. One prompt. Let me show you exactly what it did. And the one thing it got quietly wrong that you have to catch. Here's why this is the AI task I'd start with before any other. Everyone tells you to use AI to write emails or brainstorm. But writing is where AI is riskiest. It makes things up, and it's hard to tell. Cleaning data is the opposite. It's the safest, highest payoff first job you can hand it, because the work is tedious but the answer is checkable. You're not asking it to be creative. You're asking it to do the boring, mechanical thing you hate, and you can look at the result and see if it's right. That's the perfect place to build trust with a tool. High pain, low risk, easy to verify. So what actually happened? My messy file had 12 rows. Watch what one prompt fixed. The dates, I had March 2nd, 2026, March 4th, 2026, March 5th, 26, even March 7th, 2026, 6 styles in one column. It turned every single one into the same clean format. The prices, some had dollar signs, one had a comma like 1,200, one had to spelled out where the quantity should be. It stripped the symbols, converted the word to a real number, and made the whole column something you can actually add up. The categories were a disaster. Hardware, hardware, hardware. All treated as different things. It merged them. Trailing spaces, random capitals in the customer names, all gone. And it added a column I didn't have. Line total, quantity times price. For every row. 60 seconds. That is genuinely a task that used to cost me most of an evening. Now, the prompt itself, this is the whole trick, and I'm giving it to you. It is not clean this up. Vague in, vague out. A good cleanup prompt is really just a checklist of decisions. Mine told it exactly. Normalize every date to year, month, day. Make prices plain numbers, no symbols. Turn quantity into whole numbers. Standardize the categories to one spelling each. Trim the spaces. Fix the capitalization. Add a line total column. And the single most important line, the one almost nobody includes. If a row is missing a date or a customer, leave it blank. Do not invent a value. That one sentence is your seatbelt. Without it, AI will cheerfully fill an empty cell with a guess and you'll never know. With it, the model actually behaved. It left my blank rows blank instead of making something up. The whole prompt is in the description, copy-paste, built to drop your own file straight into. But here is the part you cannot skip, because this is where a clean-looking spreadsheet can quietly cost you money. The AI told me my total revenue was $2,875.44. Clean number. Looks authoritative. Here's what it doesn't tell you. My file had 3 identical rows. Same customer, same item, same day, same price. The AI decided those were duplicates, a copy-paste mistake, and it deleted 2 of them. And maybe they were. But maybe that customer placed the same order 3 times that day, 3 real sales. The AI didn't ask. It made a judgment call, erased 2 rows, and handed me a total as if it were simple fact. That one silent decision changed my revenue by $200, about 7%, and nothing on the screen flagged it. This is the rule for every single time you do this. The AI cleans the format perfectly, but any row it drops or merges is a guess about your business, and only you know the answer. So before you trust the total, ask it one follow-up. What rows did you delete or combine, and why? Read that list. Then decide. The cleanup saves you the evening. The checking is still your job, and it takes 30 seconds. That's the real shape of this. AI is fantastic at the mechanical 90%, the dates, the symbols, the spelling, the tedium that makes you avoid the file in the first place. It is not to be trusted with the judgment calls that change your numbers. Know which is which, and a task that used to ruin an evening becomes 60 seconds plus one quick question. And it works on anything shaped like a table. A messy customer list, an expense export, survey responses, a contact sheet, same prompt, swap the rules for your columns. So the copy-paste cleanup prompt is in the description. No email wall, it's just there, with the leave blanks blank line already in it and the what did you delete follow-up right below it. Grab it. And tonight, do one thing. Find the one file you've been avoiding, the export you keep meaning to fix, drop it in with that prompt, and then ask it what it deleted. 60 seconds to clean, 30 to check. If this saved you an evening, subscribe. I test this stuff so you don't have to. See you in the next one.